Every day we're caught up in the relentless pace of modern life, the constant hum of traffic, the never-ending to-do list, and the perpetual race against time. But today, we're breaking free. Just leaving behind the chaos and embracing the tranquility of nature. No schedules, no deadlines, just the profound beauty of the wilderness.
Yeah, it's on my mind. It's on my mind. It's on my mind. Been leaving it overdue whenever I'm close to you. It's almost time. It's almost time. It's almost time. Can't be too soon to chance these big moves. Never had class, but I think I had poise. Even lose that when you're taking that voice. Never move fast when I'm making that choice. But if you're that girl, then I think I'm that boy. Giving it with less resistance, more consistency.
Surrounded by the trees and the whispering winds, we found our sanctuary. Basics we need are very simple. A shelter to keep us safe, food to nourish us, and each other's company to share this experience. In the heart of nature, every task becomes a mindful ritual. It's a chance to engage with our surroundings and finding beauty in the simplicity of the task. As we set our camp, there's a sense of satisfaction in returning to the basics. It's a reminder of how little we truly need to feel content and connected. In the silence of the night, we find clarity, a perspective that often gets lost in the noise of the daily life. Here, under the vast expanse of the stars, we feel a sense of peace and connection into ourselves. Waking up the next morning, I felt a little strange. No messages or emails on my phone, no calls to return, and no social media. At first, I felt a little lost without the internet, but soon after I was reminded that it doesn't really matter. I remembered my childhood, a time when there were no phones or computers, just the TV, and even that only for watching cartoons. And I was so happy here. I realized I can still enjoy life without the internet. Without the constant buzz of technology, we find time to reflect, to think about the past, the lessons learned, and the memories cherished. Cooking in the great outdoors is a return to our roots. The aroma of sizzling food, the crackles of the fire, it all brings us closer to the essence of living. Sharing a meal here isn't just about sustenance, it's about savoring each moment, each bite, and the company we keep. It's about slowing down and appreciating the present. Our journey takes us higher, to a place where the world seems to pause. The view from the top is more than just a sight. It's a reminder of how far we've come and the beauty that surrounds us. But with that being said, it's also the time to go back home. As we pack up and prepare to return to our lives, we carry with us more than just memories. We take back a renewed sense of peace, a deeper connection to the nature, and a clearer perspective on what truly matters. While the hustle and bustle awaits us, we know we can return to this place in nature and within ourselves whenever we need to find balance and tranquility. Until next time, stay grounded, stay connected. Peace.